In this video, I will show you how you can make money from Google Maps. And we're gonna start right now. Hello everyone, this is Rifat Abu Hassan. And in my channel, we talk about online entrepreneurship, how to make money online and generate passive income so that you can have the lifestyle of your desire. So if this is the first time for you on my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button, because I come up with videos like this every single week that teach you and show you how you can make money online. Also, I want you guys to comment below where are you watching this video from, so that I know more about you and from which part of the world you're watching this. So comment below your region or your country, where are you watching this from. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the video. So in this video, I will show you some tactics, you guys, that will allow you to earn at least $1,000 per month, you guys, if you implement what I'm about to teach you here. So make sure to stay with me till the end. Now, we all know that Google is the main search engine on the internet that all of us use to search for anything on the net. People use Google to look for information, courses, and all sort of online businesses, you guys, such as restaurants, doctors' clinics, lawyers, hardware stores, and so on. The idea here, you guys, is to use Google search to look for any local business of our interest and get them to pay you monthly payment for driving traffic to their website. In other words, to get people to see their websites more frequently. Because guess what, you guys? Most local businesses don't have a clue about how to get people to see their business. They don't have the know-how to drive traffic to their website, or basically they can't afford paying thousands of dollars for companies to do this for them. And here where your opportunity is, my friend. You will offer setting up and running ads for them for a fraction of the cost, and most likely they will say yes. So we want to look for those websites, company's website, contact them via email or call them directly if within your local area, and tell them how would they like to have an extra 100, 200 person per single day, every single day, in return of a monthly flat payment. How would that impact their business? And I'll show you guys how you can do this step by step. So pay close attention to what I'm about to teach you here. Let's jump into my computer screen and I'll show you how you can do this. Okay, so first of all, we go to Google, and let's say that we're searching for a pizza restaurant in Lansing City. So let's just type that out. Pizza restaurant, Lansing City. Restaurant. Okay. I think it's misspelled also. Okay. So again, you can do this in any area. It's not really specific to location. So you can do this if you are, for example, in the United States. You can search for anything that's local to your area or region, or you can even go further into other countries. So what we can see here, you guys, is that list on the top of Google search that shows on Google Maps. So if you click on the map here, we'll have an extended list of all local pizza restaurants in Lansing City. And this list, you guys, is getting mostly 90% of the traffic. Almost all people would not pass these few listings. So let's take this business, for example, the Cosmos. So if we click on this one, we will see all the information on that business, their address, their opening hours, and most likely they would have a website. So what we want to do, you guys, is to check if they are paying for ads to get traffic to their websites, if they have paid traffic sources. And that's what we are aiming to, guys. Because if they don't, then we want to be the first people to go and approach them with our offer. And we can do this, you guys, by going to a website that's called semrush.com. So you can register with this website for free, and what they do is they give you free 10 searches that you can perform to see if that specific website or restaurant runs ads to get traffic to the website. So that's 10 free searches that you get. If you want more, you need to upgrade your account so that you can get 10,000 results per report. And also you have 3,000 reports per day that you can use. So what we need to do is to copy that domain name for that restaurant and paste it here as I did, and click search, and that will give you all the details. So we can see here the type of organic searches that they are getting. So they're getting 1.3K organic search. You can see also the backline and the display advertising and other information. But what's important for us, you guys, is to see the paid search, which is zero traffic from paid search, meaning that they don't run ads to drive traffic to their website. And also there is something interesting here, you guys, is to see that their organic search has dropped by 2%, which implies that they are losing customers on organic search, which is of course bad for their business. So you can mention that for them, you guys, to emphasize the importance of paid traffic for their business. So when you ask them, use these types of information to bring their attention and make them interested in what you're saying and in working with you guys. So that's one way of doing this thing, you guys. Another approach that you can take is to look for businesses that are not even listed on the top of Google Maps search. So if we go back to that list here, okay, just go back. And if we let's click on the map here. And if we took this restaurant, for example, Giorgio's Pizza. So if we go back to the main search results, you can see that this restaurant that we just chose, the Cosmos, is actually showing on the front page of the Google Maps. However, if we look for that other one, Giorgio's Pizza, we won't find it listed either in the top few search results, or even it's not even listed in the search results of Google. So let's check if they are running any paid ads at all. So we're just gonna copy their domain here, and we're gonna go to SEMrush, and if we put it there and press search, just gonna refresh that because I'd done that before. Okay, we can see that they don't have paid searches, so they're not running ads for their website, and mostly they're having organic traffic coming to their website. So what we can do is to show them that this business is not showing in the top search on Maps or on the first page of the Google search results. So what you can do, you guys, is to tell them that you can run ads for them and rank their business in the top of Google search, so more people can see their business and get more traffic. Now, there are other ways that you can know if that business is running paid ads, like Facebook ads, for example, which a lot of businesses do these days. So how can you know if they're running Facebook ads before you even contact them? Because that's what you want to do, you guys. You don't want to contact them and discover later that they are running some sort of ads. It's a waste of your time and their time. So a way of looking at this business and see if they are running Facebook ads is to install this Chrome extension called Facebook Pixel Helper. And what it does is it tells you whether this website has a Facebook pixel, meaning that they are running Facebook ads. So when going to that business website, that pixel, I'm just trying to show it to you here on my browser. So that's the pixel here. So if that business website is running Facebook ads, this pixel will turn into blue, something similar to the icon here. So you know that this website is running Facebook ad. It will show something like this. When it's active, it will say 1 or 2 or 3 pixels found on such domain name. So in this case, you know that this business is running Facebook ads. So it will show you something similar to this exactly. Let's see if we can find something here that has a Facebook ad campaign. Just to give you an idea. So if we take this, for example, Tormina Pizza, and if you're just gonna open a new browser, and so we're just gonna watch this one here, you guys, to see if it turns blue or not. So this is the restaurant of that business website. So you can see it turns into blue, and it says here 1 pixel found on torminas.com. So these guys are running Facebook ads. So we don't need to go and contact them. We need just to find those businesses that are not running ads and they're relying on organic reach for their business. So you need to do your homework very well, you guys, before starting calling these businesses. Otherwise, it's going to be a waste of your time and their time. If they don't, or maybe they don't know anything about it, then here is your chance, you guys, to educate them of the possibility that they can get by having you running traffic for them. And use the data and all the information we just talked about, you guys, to convince them and make them want it to work with you. Now, if you don't have any experience doing ads on Google or Facebook, you can outsource this, you guys. You can go to Fiverr.com, which is one of my favorite websites for outsourcing. And here, actually, you can find people doing multiple things for you, including doing and organizing your ad campaign. So if we write Google Ads, that's it, search. So here you can find people that can run Google Ads for you. It's going to cost some money. So as you can see that, for example, this one will cost you $95. I will do Google Ads, Adwords, and generate sales. And this will set up and manage your Googles for Google Ads and AdWords for $135. So, and this is gonna be $180. So mostly it's about above $90. So it's a bit costly. So if you have a budget, you can do that. It's an option that you can do. But I want to tell you that, you guys, you can easily return that cost on ads when you get this running correctly. And I will show you how much you can earn and how can you actually recap that amount that you paid in the outsourcing. Another thing you can do is you can find many tutorial videos, you guys, on YouTube that teach you how to run ads. And I will leave some links for you in the description below so you can go and check them up and get benefit from. And seriously, it doesn't really take a lot of work to manage an ad account, you guys, once you get familiar with it. Or maybe you can take a small course, you guys, on running Google and Facebook ads that will help you to start your business using Google Maps, which would be very profitable if you take it seriously. Now let's see how much you can make after you check that business, whatever business you chose, and check that they're not running ads or anything like that. What we wanted to do is we wanted to contact the business and ask them, would they like to have probably 100 or 200 people clicking the website daily? And if they are interested, then what we want to do is to tell them that you will charge them monthly fees for each client you bring to them online. So you want to start at low price, you guys, per client. Let's say $300 or $400 per month. And this way you will lower your competition and make them eager to work with you more. And when you build your legitimacy over time and gain their trust, you can then start charge them higher amount of money. So let's say I'm just going to bring my calculator here just to see how much we can make. So let's say that we are charging $300 and we're bringing 10 clients per month. So that's 10 times 300. So that's $3,000 per month, you guys. And that's really serious amount of money, you guys, that you can earn. And you will notice that as you get better in doing this, you will be able to bring more clients, and thus you can charge more. So let's say that you've done this for a longer time, and you would be able to bring more clients. So let's say that you did this long enough, and then you started charging more. So let's say $500 per client. And if you brought about, let's say, 25 clients monthly, that's $12,500 per month, you guys. So you can see how powerful that can be, you guys, and how you can recap your ad cost that you initially paid. And over time, you will be able to do it yourself and not paying anybody to do this for you. And again, this process will take no time once you master it, because it's gonna be all an automated process that you just set up once, and then it will run automatically later on. And also you can do this for as many businesses as you want. Because remember this, you guys, most business owners don't know anything about advertising. All what they know is to run their own local business and perhaps pay someone to set their website up. That's it, you guys. So imagine if you do this over a year, how much this can really change your life and give you financial freedom. I hope that this video was valuable and inspiring to you guys. Again, all the links that I mentioned in this video, you will find in the description below. And please share this video with others and hit the thumbs up, because it really helped the video being seen by more people like you. Thank you for watching. This is Rifat Abu Hassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.